So hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So now in this video, I will show you like how we set up the Jenkins job, and in this example, I will show you how we create a job and execute for Selenium WebDriver test scripts. And also in last video, I have gone through the setup, how we set up Jenkins environment with the help of using Jenkins war file. So if you have not gone that video, you can check like before moving this. So now when we initially when we set up Jenkins, then we will get this option, default options available on the dashboard. But once we will create for any single job, this option will be not available. So now let's create job. So I am going to click on this create button. So this will redirect on the create job page. So I can enter here text name like Selenium Maven. We can use here as our project is Maven based project, so we need to select the template Maven project. I am using this one, and then going to click OK. So once I click OK, then it will redirect on the configure page. Here we have multiple options like general, source code management, build trigger, build environment, pre-steps, build, post-steps, build setting. So in description, we can give some description like this is Selenium Java project test execution job. We can check anything as per our requirement. Discard old build, GitHub project. This build requires lockdown, lockable resource. So we can also get help from here. It will give complete detail of this build. Old discard old builds. Here the question marks means if you want to get more details, then we can click on this. It will give us the description about the options. Like here, this project is parameterized, so we can get here details. Here we will get help. Next option is source code management. So if we want to get our code for any particular source code management tool like Git, SVN, Bitbucket, so we can check here options. Currently we have only two options. One is Git, second is none. If we want to get more options for others source code management tool, we need to install the plugin. So now here we can select the Git if we require to integrate with the Git. So now currently I am not integrating with the Git. I will just select it here none. Build triggers, these are the options. We can schedule the triggers, build periodically, and like there are some conditions like when we want to run our build. So we can set up these options as per our requirement. So this is the build environment, delete workspace before build start. There are multiple options here. We can check as per our requirement. And if you want to get more detail, go here, question mark, you will get allowed to take the credential of various sorts and use them from cell builds, step, and the like. Right? So we can get, if we want to get more detail about the options, then we just click on the question mark. Pre-steps, if you want to execute any things before running our build, then we can configure here in the build option, pre-steps. So, but currently I am going to execute the pom.xml file with the help of Maven. So we can, this is the pom.xml. So this should be on root, and here we need to call the root goal. Like here, our Maven goal is clean and install. So it will run the clean and install commands from the pom.xml file with using Maven. It has also some advanced option we can set up as per our requirement. We can check this. Post steps, if we want to run anything after the build execute. So like suppose that if I want to run, if the build succeeded, there are some conditions when we want to run the post steps, and post step we can configure here. Next, build setting, email notification we can do. Here we can set up the emails, corresponding emails, like where we want to send the reports. When the build, send email for every unstable build, send separate email for individual who broke the build. So we can give the also check also this one. So send email for each failed module. Next is post build action. In post build action, we can use this options as per our requirement. Generally, in the main project, we are sending the email. We can select this. We are also publishing the report, HTML report, and Jenkins environment. So all these options are available as per our requirement. We can set up. So I just click on the apply and save button. So I am going to create. So I am going to click on the build now button. So this will execute the current build, and this will also create one project under the Selenium Jenkins workspace. So let me show you. So this is our Jenkins folder. So here you can see workspace folder. It don't have any folder name here. So first time if I run this build, then we will get option here in workspace. Folder is created. So this is our workspace folders, means we need to put our Selenium automation code here that will pick and execute the pom.xml file from this folder. So let me save the project here. I have already created one project that is very small script, and we need to here set up, like paste all the code manually. So because we have not integrated here with any source code management tool, once we integrate source code management tool, then it will automatically pull from the uh, Git or any source code management tools. We don't require to put manually. So now I am pasting the code here in this folder. So I just pasted here. So this is the test.ng XML file where I am calling the actual tests from the SRC folder. And this is a pom.xml file which will use from the Maven to execute the test cases. And it will also automatically update all the dependencies. So now let's start again the job. So I just click on this build now button. Now I need to, let me open this build. So in previous build, we will get some error. So what is error here? Let me show you. So it shows like perhaps you need to verify the correct POM file path, because we don't have any project. So it's during the execution pom.xml file, not it was not found during the execution, right, under this Selenium Maven project. But currently I have just pasted the project, complete project. So we will get here option. So now this is compiling the source code. All the source code now going to compile here, and this is once the source code is compiled, it will execute the test cases, right? So now running the test suite. So this Chrome is started successfully. Here you can see it launched the Chrome browser, and so now it's maximized and log into in the system, in the application. Yeah, so login successfully, and it will verify the user is logged in successfully. This is a very small script, and now you can see here I am getting test run 1, failure 0, and skip 0, and build success, and waiting for Jenkins to finish the collection data. And here now stop, and we will get here the this once execution will complete. Yes, execution is completed, finished. If I go here again, we will get success, and we can check the console output. And here also it will give us some test result trend. So this is default generated by the Maven project, because we have created the project Maven. And if any test is failed, we will get the number of test script failed here. Latest test result, if there is any failure, we will get here, right? So now I'm going to show you how we publish the reports. So a report is generated here. So if I go here, you will see the report HTML file is generated. So this report I have generated with the help of using external report. So we will get here the report, execution time, navigated URL, this, enter username, password. I am also getting here the log. So now if we need to publish this report on the Jenkins environment, then how we do that? So let me show you. So first of all, we need to install the plugin, add the plugin, and we need to go in the manage plugin section. First manage Jenkins, and then go to the manage plugin section. So similar type, we can install the plugins uh, in our Jenkins environment. So we have multiple options here, update plugins. So this will give us the all the plugins which require to update, and this is the available plugins which are available in the market. This section is so all the installed plugins which I have installed currently, and this is the advanced tab where we can download and plugins and upload here and install in Jenkins environment. So now I'm going to install the from the available options. So HTML publisher. So this will publish the HTML report in the Jenkins environment. So there are multiple options: install without restart, download now, and install after restart. So I will go with first one, install without restart. So let me. So now the HTML publisher is installing here. Once this will install successfully, we will get the HTML options under the post build section. So similar type, we can when we are not getting the Maven options during the creation of the project, we will go and install the plugins from this section. Now I'm moving on the dashboard. We go to the project configuration section. We will get the HTML publish report option. So this we need to publish the report once the execution will done, means this will come under the post build action. So click on this. Now you can see the publish HTML report option is available here. Just click on this, and here click on add button. This is a directory. So currently the project is report is generated at the root directory, so we don't need to update here folder name. So this this directory name is a relative path from workspace. The path to the HTML report directory related to the workspace. Right. Next, we can give the name of the report. So our report name is just report.html file name. We can give here some index like Selenium report, and this is the report title. I'm giving again Selenium report. This will be the title. So other option is also available. Keep the past HTML report always linked to the last build. Allow the missing report. We can also check as per our requirement. Escape underscore. So we can also give the some CSS HTML file name which are supported for this file. So this is the index file, means main file. And here we will also get the help if we want. Now I'm going to click on apply and save. So let me execute the build again here. Just click on this. Console. It started the execution. Command is running, npm clean install. So now it is compiling the source code, and once the compilation will done, it will run the test script. So now execution completed here. This and test run 1, failure 0, error 0, script 0. And this is waiting for Jenkins to finish collection data. And once that will complete, now it will publish the HTML report, archiving HTML report. Now it will publish on the Jenkins environment, and then it will complete the execution. Yeah, build success. So let me show you the report. So here we will get the Selenium report. This is also, so when I click on this, then we will get the report. So by default, Jenkins will not support the CSS here. So that's why we are getting report like this. So we can configure this, and in that case, Jenkins will publish the proper report. All the CSS will loaded. So let me show you how we publish the here, set up the Jenkins so that it will publish the HTML report properly. So we need to go manage section, manage Jenkins, go to the Jenkins console, script console. So here I need to paste the code, this line of code, system.model.directory browser support.cps blank, and run this one. Once I will do this, this Jenkins will start supporting this. But if we restart Jenkins again, then we need to set up this also. Okay, so now let me run the test here again. So it will not publish properly the previous report. If I open this, I will get the same. Okay. Yes, so now it started the publishing the report, HTML report properly. This one. So if we run the new test cases, that will also publish the report same, like same, right? So hope this video help you to set up Jenkins job, how to create Jenkins job, how we publish the HTML report, how we execute the Java based Maven project. So thanks.